Boy, time flies when you're having fun, and we've been having fun this month. Almost let August get away from me here without recording the pond conditions. But here it is, the 24th, I believe, and I'm going to get it down for posterity. Water's still looking real clear. Guess you're happy. A little depleted here. We've gotten rid of a few this past month to make room for some hopefully nicer fish in the future. We're having a good time this morning. Beautiful day. Not too hot. Just the thing. Bottom drains are all looking nice and clear. Stream is looking real good. Not too much algae or any other kind of crap building up in it. And so, there you go. Trying this new shower filter here. Finally got this rascal in operation. We've used a little more flow through it, but we're going to see how it works before we go out and invest in a larger pump. And hopefully this will allow me to feed a little more, and also reduce the nitrates. That's our goal for this project. I'm not sure if I have enough media in there. Got 75 kilograms in this one and 75 in the other one, which isn't in operation yet. You know, that may not be enough. But we will let it run for a while. So now that we have one over on Yamashitaki running, next project will be to see if I can get this one installed correctly and running. Hopefully with a little less drama than the other one. And see if that does anything for the water quality. Those miserable snails have made their way out here now to the stream. Or actually, I guess they're not really hurting anything, and they may be actually contributing, I sure hope so, by eating gunk and so forth. I'm not sure what they eat, but hopefully they'll take some of the crap out of the water to pay for their room and board. The North Stream is still looking good. Nice and clear, just a little bit of algae growing. And here's my fat boys going around for another pass.